In India, we've always complained that we've never had proper hot hatches. Lukewarm, maybe yes, but never proper hot hatches. Welcome everybody to the Mercedes-Benz A45 AMG S. This is a proper hot hatch. It's got proper aero, mad power, and even a drift mode. This definitely will deliver the thrill of driving. And we're at the perfect facility to test out the performance of the A45, the Natrac facility just outside Indore. Welcome everybody to Evo India and welcome to our review of the Mercedes-Benz A45S. Now the A45 AMG S, it's got the world's most powerful production series 4-cylinder engine. It has a mad output of 415 bhp, 500 Newton meters of torque, and it puts all that power down through a 4-wheel drive system. Now obviously a car like this, which can do 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds, deserves a place like Natrac's to test its true ability. And it's not just about straight line speed, it also handles really well. Now obviously at the high speed tracks, which is an oval at the Natrac's, we can't really test out the handling of the A45, but we will do a comprehensive road test to tell you more about the handling. What I can tell you driving it hard here is that it is super fast. It is really urgent the way it puts the power down. It is just insane. Even at a place like this where you have really wide roads, really big tracks, but you still feel that shove, you still go back in your seat every time you accelerate hard, and it is a really good feeling. Now the A45 is not just about brute power, it's also about luxury that a Mercedes gives you, and it does all that really nicely. You get all the bells and whistles that you would expect from a car at this price. Well, we don't know the pricing yet, but we expect it to be in the region of 80 lakh rupees. Besides the body style, the A45 also looks properly aggressive, even when you compare it to the A35, which uses the AMG line trim. The A45 that gets the full-blown AMG treatment. You get the Pan America grille up front, more aggressive aero work on the front, properly aggressive looking bonnet scoops, and even really cool looking quad pipes. You get these really nice 19-inch matte black wheels, which add to the characteristic and the stance of the car. The A45 that's also got a wider track of 54mm compared to the A35. On the inside, the A45 is a properly luxurious Mercedes. It features a pair of 10.25-inch screens running on Mercedes' infotainment system, which is now standard across the range. A big addition on the inside is a rotary mode selector on the steering wheel to select the various driving modes. And now let's talk about the meat of the A45, the engine. It is the world's most powerful production series turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It also gets 4-wheel drive and it can put all the power down. All 415 bhp and that mental 500 Newton meters on tap. What this translates to is a claimed 0 to 100 time of 3.9 seconds. That's even faster than some of the V8 cars. It gets a power output of 208 bhp per litre. That's absolutely nuts. Power is delivered in a way that's far more urgent. Obviously, coming here to Natrac's is one of the best places to test the true ability of this baby AMG. And it also allows us to test the top speed, which is electronically limited to 278 km per hour. Most AMGs do straight line speeds very well, and the A45 that's no exception. It can get to its top speed of 278 pretty quickly and hold it there very comfortably. Obviously, to do this you need a good drivetrain, and that's exactly what the A45 features. The new 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system that works really well. It can send torque to individual wheels depending on which one needs the power at that particular moment. Not only is that advantageous in putting the power down, it also features a new drift mode which overpowers the rubber and sends you into some sideways action. Now the A45 also sounds really good, especially considering it's a 4-cylinder engine. It has these nice pops and bangs when it shifts up, and it sounds nice and sporty all throughout. It's really great to see that motorsport tech from Formula One and other series that Mercedes AMG take part in is used on their road cars to make them better, faster, and even more fun to drive for people like you and me. Now, unfortunately, our first drive with the A45S was very brief and just around the high-speed track here at NatTracks. But that's left us wanting so much more of this mad car, the mad performance, the mad tech, and the really nice interiors. It's a car that has almost no competition here in India, and the closest we can think of is a certain Japanese car that used to be used in the World Rally Championship that was sold in India very briefly. You know what I'm talking about. But right now there is no competition to the A45S, and it is a really fun car that really does deliver the thrill of driving. A true hot hatch in India, finally.